Praisers and Savers. I'm back at CVS, a little sweaty right now. Went to Burn Boot Camp this morning, so but I'm here couponing for you guys. This is what we have, and I have a really great deal already started, so let's get going. Shade Moisture, these are the kids kinds, and this is like the mango and carrot. For the kiddos, they have a shampoo and conditioner. They are $10.49, and you need to buy 2 of them to get to the $20 threshold to get $10 back. You're also going to use this $6 off coupon when you buy 2. So let's do some math on this. So you're going to get 2 of these at $10.49. That's going to bring our total to $20.98. We're going to use that $6 off coupon. Also, a $10 off extra care buck is going to return to you, which is going to make these less than $2.50. Now, we're going to try to bundle these with some other hair care products to see if that CRT comes off. Because I think I have when you spend $25 on shampoos, hair care products, you get like $4 off. But I'm going to see if it works. I'm not sure. It's not connecting on that. We're going to do this Garnier Fructis. It's 2 for $7. And there's a $2 off coupon on the app, which makes it $5. And then there's also a $3 off coupon that came out, so that brings it down to $2. And so this is about the same cost it is at Kroger right now. So you're going to take off $5 off the 7, so $2 a dollar a bottle. But what we're going to do is we're also going to combine this with our shea products. So with our shea products, if we spent 21. And we spent 7, so that's $28. So what we're going to do is there's also a CRT on the app for $4 off. Now, what I did on the spreadsheet is I put hair care bundle, and then I put a $4 off store coupon, so that's a negative $4. So you see it's going to take another $4 off. So you're going to get, essentially you'll get both shampoos for just $1 together when you make sure you use that threshold. So make sure that you do all of the shampoos in one transaction. Do not pass up on deals of cereal at CVS. This is the only place I like to buy cereal. $1.99 for a box of cereal is awesome, and there's usually a coupon on the app as well. So let's do some math here. So you're going to get 3 boxes of the Kellogg cereals. It's any of the Kellogg cereals, and so it's $2 each, so $2 for $6, and a $1 off coupon makes it $5 for all 3 boxes of cereal. Now, there is a CRT on the app where it's $2 off when you spend $8. Now that's 8 whole dollars, okay? It's not talking about like, because $1.99 will mess you up, so it has to be over the $8, because if you do 4 boxes of cereal, well, you're missing 4 pennies. So because 4 boxes of cereal is only going to be, $7.96 or whatever. So it has to be over $8 for that coupon to come off. Be careful with that. So you're going to have to actually get 5 boxes of cereal if you want to get that $2 off CRT. Now, I don't have enough cereal at the store to get that many boxes of cereal, so I'm just going to pick up 3 today and use that $1 off coupon. Most of the time when I share deals, I'm sharing like what's the cheapest item that we could find. But this item, I actually need this because my fiance uses this. This is a Dove Men's Care Dry Spray Deodorant, and he likes this kind the best. So it's a little expensive. It's $8.59. It's on sale at CVS this week for buy one, get one 50% off. And then when you get to $15 threshold, you'll get $5 back in extra care bucks. So this is not the best deal, but we've got some things that can help bring the total down a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to end up buying 4 of these. And the reason I'm buying 4 is because I want to get to that $15 threshold. And if I just buy 2, I won't get there. And then I might as well, if you buy 3, you'll get there. But I want to be able to use both these coupons. So I'm going to buy 4. Now, when I buy 4 of them, my math makes it $25.76. So $25.76 when I buy 4. I'm going to use 2 of these coupons. So that's going to bring off $8, okay? I'm going to hit that threshold, so I'll get back $5 extra care bucks. And then, let me look at my total here. There's also a $2 store coupon. It's a CRT on the app that will load when you buy the deodorant. So it'll be $2 off. So with the $8 off, the buy one get one 50% off, the $2 store coupon, the $5 extra care bucks, it's just going to turn out to be $10.76, which is really good. You're saving $15. Now, we'll show you this. Now, on the principal breakdown, I did something a little different. What I did was I put the Dove Men's Spray Deodorant, and I said get 4 of them, and it's going to be $6.44. Now, it's not $6.44. they are $8.59, but I went ahead and did that because of the buy one get one 50% off. That's how much they cost, pretty much each. I think that was right. So anyways, pick up 4, use 2 of those coupons, and then you'll get $5 back in extra care bucks, and your $2 CRT should. This is a really great deal on the Crest toothpaste this week. They are 2 for $6, and when you buy 2, you'll get back $3 on extra care bucks. And there's also a $2 off coupon CRT on the app when you spend $5. So no coupons needed for this. Just load it on your app, and when you do that, it's actually only going to be $1. So $6 minus $3 is $3, and then minus $2 is $1. So 50 cents each for each tube of really good toothpaste. Such a great year for sunscreen, because usually I don't get good deals like this on sunscreen. So we like the Coppertone spray in our house, and it is $11.49, and it is on sale. Buy one get one 50% off. So of course you're going to buy 2 of those, and when you buy 2 of those, you're going to get back $5 extra care bucks. You're also going to use one of these $5 off Coppertone products, and there is printable coupons out there for this if you do not have this manufacturer coupon. Also, when you spend $12, which we are, you're going to use this $3 CRT on the app. So that $3 CRT will come off. So I'm going to show you what the breakdown looks like, because remember, this is $11.49, but my breakdown looks a little bit different because it's buy one get one 50% off. So on my printable breakdown, the Coppertone Sun is buy one get one 50% off, and I said it was $8.62 when you buy 2. That's not right, but that's how what it averages out to when you do buy 2, because the buy one get one 50% off. It's going to make your total $17.24. You're going to use that $5 off coupon I just told you about. There's a $3 CRT that will come off on your app. You'll get back $5 extra care bucks, which makes everything $4.24. So you're getting 1 bottle of sunscreen for $2 and some change. So $4.24 for 2 bottles of sunscreen is amazing. All right, Praisers and Savers, just left CVS. I haven't scanned for IBOTTA Fetch or any of those things yet. So I usually do it in the store, but I was tired of being there, so I'll do it when I get home. So my total might be less than what I'm telling you now. So the only problem I had was the hair care bundle coupon, which was if you spend $25 on hair care products, you'll get $4 off in the CRT. That did not work. I didn't know if it was going to. I've never done the Shea Moisture products. And so I did the Shea Moisture products and the Garnier together, and it didn't work. But oh well, that's fine, because I even got another $1 off on the Crest. So the Crest was $1 after all the coupons and everything else, and then another $1 came off for some reason. I don't know why. So it made the Crest toothpaste absolutely free. So that's pretty amazing. Now, when I did check out, I did use $16 in extra care bucks from a previous transaction. So my total was $104. And so I saved 80%, and that's always my goal at CVS or Walgreens, whatever it is, to save 80% or better. When I go to grocery stores, my goal was to save 60% or better. Grocery stores are harder, but I did do what I aimed to do at CVS. So I ended up saving like $80-something, and I spent about $33.94. And like I said, $33.94 is not bad at all when my total was $100 and something, $104, I think, like that. So saving a big chunk there. And then I also got back $23 in extra care bucks from last time. So I got back the $5 in extra care bucks for the Coppertone products, the $5 in extra care bucks for the Dove deodorant, and that was pretty pricey. That was my most expensive thing today, getting all 4 of those deodorants. I got $10 back on the Shea Moisture products, and I got $3 back on the Crest toothpaste. And the only deal that I can do again would be the Crest toothpaste, but I don't have any more coupons for that, so I'm just going to let that alone. I'm not going to do anything else with that. And so seemed like a pretty good day. Everything worked out just as like I wanted it to. No problems at all. So it went from $104 to $33. Pretty awesome, and got some free toothpaste and plenty of money for next time. So if there's any other small deals, I might do another video this week, but that was probably my biggest thing of the week. I usually do the Tides and all that in today, but I didn't do Tide. My buggy was so full, I didn't want to put anything else in it. So I'll probably come back later on this week and do some more deals that I learn of or catch up on. So anyways, all right guys, thank you so much. The printable breakdown is in the description box. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, but also stay tuned just in case to see if there's any more IBOTTA Fetch or any of those things. I'm gonna go home and load those in just a moment. All right, so just got back from CVS. Everything worked out pretty well. Everything except for that $4 off hair care bundle did not work for the $25 for the hair care, and that's fine. Sometimes you have little hiccups here and there, but overall it was a good trip. Total of everything was like $100, and I only spent about $30, getting back I think $23 in extra care bucks for my next trip. I did use $16 extra care bucks in this transaction. Everything else seemed to work out pretty well. There were no items on IBOTTA, but on Fetch, I did get 200 Fetch rewards, which equates to like 2 pennies. So, even though Fetch, sometimes you can get a lot, sometimes you don't get hardly anything, but I always submit your receipt to Fetch because you just never know. All right, guys, let me know if there was anything great that you got at CVS this week. I will be going back to CVS this week to get some of my Tide, my laundry detergent deals. Once my buggy starts getting pretty full, I like to stop and come back. I don't like doing large shopping trips. So anyways, all right guys, like, share, subscribe. Let me know what things you got this week.